Hey everyone, Mansoor Suhail from My Learning Center welcomes you. Let me explain to you what we are going to cover in this upcoming course, The Lazy Man's Way to Find Out How to Generate Income During Recession. Chapter number 1 is a general overview of recession income secrets, and this is what we're going to cover in it. What is recession income? What happens when there is a recession time going on? Awareness among people to learn recession income secrets. Importance of creating an income source during recession. How can people get to know about recession income secrets? We move on to chapter number 2, stuff that sells the best during recession. So understand the concept of demand and supply, and we will also cover understand the target audience and take action. Then we move on to chapter number 3, all about investment during recession. What we're going to cover in this: learn how to invest during recession, ways to make money, have a look at what experts say about it. Moving along to chapter number 4, survival skills. We will cover the rules that you have to follow to keep up in the market. Creation of stimulation among public for your product. Strategies to survive and win. Chapter number 5, know the recession secrets in digital marketing. And we will cover how are recession secrets connected to digital marketing, benefits of recession income secrets in digital marketing, and revenue flow through digital marketing during recession. Chapter number 6, all about platforms during recession. Learn about the beneficial platforms, how to make money from various platforms. Then we move on to chapter number 7, save yourself from these blunder mistakes. You will learn do's and don'ts and factors to consider during recession. Chapter number 8, benefits of learning the recession income secrets. Would the product make you money after the recession? Result-oriented perks of recession income secrets. Then we move on to chapter number 9, best ways to prepare yourself mentally. Learn to create backup plans during the recession period. Understand the economy. And finally, we wrap up with chapter number 10, growth during recession. And we cover how to grow during recession period, cash flow and assets, maintenance of them during and after recession. Folks, you really need to rush and grab your complimentary mini course that walks you through all these steps. Click the link given in description and download your mini course right now. Thank you.